Hey everyone, welcome to West Anime Tutorials that we can learn more about the basics. Let's learn more about addition in this video. As we learned from the previous video, addition is combining two or more numbers to form a larger number. No matter how big the numbers we're going to add, we always have a rule of thumb. By start adding from the ones place, we regroup when the sum of the two numbers is over 10 and repeat it with the next place value. Let's start with an example, 37 plus 12. Well, we start by lining up 37 and 12 with ones place and tens place on the same row. We start with the ones place. 7 plus 2 is 9. And we move on to the tens place. 3 plus 1 is 4. Combine them together is 49. Let's have another example. 48 plus 5. We start with the ones place. 8 plus 5 equals to 13. Now, we are going to move 110 to the tens place and write the 3 at the answer. Now we move on to the tens place. 4 plus 1 is 5. Put them together is 53. Let's look at 57 plus 46. Start with the ones place. 7 plus 6 is 13. We move 110 to the tens place. And we add 5 plus 4 with the carryover 1, which equals to 10. Combine them together is 103. Let's have one example with a hundreds place. 365 plus 47. We start with the ones place. 5 plus 7 is 12. We carry over 110 to the tens place. And we add with 6 plus 4, which equals to 11. Now 11 has 110, so we move on to the hundreds place, which we add with 3. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Combine them is 412. Let's have another example. 508 plus 164. We start with a ones place as usual. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. We move 110 to the tens place, which we add with 0 and 6, which equals to 7. Now we move on to the hundreds place. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Combine them is 672. Let's have one last example involving 1000s. 1256 we add with 827. We start with a ones place as usual. 6 plus 7 is 13. We move 110 to the tens place, which we add together with 5 and 2, which we have the total of 8. We move on to the hundreds place. 2 plus 8 equals to 10. We move 110 to the thousands place, which we add with another 1, which equals to 2. Put them all together is 2083. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video, and subscribe for more videos to come.